to my channel. I'm so excited to be back and making sewing video because sewing has been such a big part of my life lately, and I just wanted to come with an easy video now, so it's not like super tutorial, super thin, but just showing you what I did in the past week. I think like week and a half, and I am kind of proud of this process because it was my first time making pants, and I just want to show you everything and show you what I did wrong and show you what I would do different in case you're trying to do anything of this stuff. And I'm just hoping you can take some advice or inspiration if you're making anything. But let me show you what I make. It's not a lot. It's only 3 pieces, but I do have a few things to say. So I think it'd be a short video, but a cool video. So here it is. Let me take this off because I want to show you this after. But the first thing I want to show you is this set. I made a set because I was so excited when I found this color, and all I could think was a set, something that would be match the top and the bottom. Now this is like a little crop top. As you can see, it has like little tie on top, and then I did merge it. I can't even pick my words, but anyway, I did merge it like in the front, so I didn't tie the whole thing. I thought it was gonna be better like that. And I put a zipper on the back. I do have like a problem with this top. And the first one was that the zipper, since this fabric, as you see, is pretty like flowy. The zipper, when you put it on, as it's like this long, it's probably like 10 inches. It's pretty long. It bunches up a little bit. And I think if I would have used like interfacing or something to make the fabric stiffer, the material, like the end result wouldn't look as bad. I mean, like, it doesn't look bad. If I don't tell you, you don't notice. But I prefer my zipper to stay straight whenever I move my back. Even though the back is pretty straight place to put up a zipper, and it should be moving, but still I feel like it would be so much better if you put interfacing. So if you're making a zipper and you find that it's wobbly, that's the reason why. And then I put this straps. I put the straps like 5 times because I always keep getting the measurement wrong. And I take it out, put it back in, put it out, and put it back. Yeah. And I took it out like 5 times, like I said, and still I found it too big. I don't know why. I would go down probably 1 inch, but I did it so many times that I was tired of taking this stuff off. So I'm like, you know what, it's going to stay like that. And whenever I feel like taking and put them back again and try a little inch less, because I'm so scared that it's like, that I'm going to take way too off and it's not going to fit me. So anyway, those are the things that I will regret when making this. And the funny thing about the top is that I just didn't know what I was doing. You know, when you just have a piece of fabric and I'm like, I want a top, and like do a wrap it, or like you just put it on and wrap it around and do, like, I just went with the flow. Like, I didn't have an idea in my head. The pants, I did have an idea, but the top was like whatever comes up. Oh, this is open. You can see my boobs. Okay, let me sew it up. Oh, it's falling off. Let me put a strap. Like that kind of thought process. That's what happened with the top. Now, the pants are a different story because the pants I had a very straightforward idea. I knew what I wanted. I want paperback pants, and I want them to be like a little knot at the ankle. Like, that was very specific. I didn't want it to be super flowy, but I did want it to be a little bit flowy, no too tight or anything like that. And I also knew I wanted pockets. So here's what I did. I took like a pair of leggings that they're not that baggy. They're like fairly, you know when those leggings, they don't really are close, like they're not really tight, but they're not really that loose. So I'm thinking when I tracing my leggings across the fabric that I should have probably like 14 extra inches because I'm so fat that probably wouldn't fit in them because this fabric doesn't stretch whatsoever. So I did that, and to my surprise, after I add 14 inches, and let me tell you, 14 inches are 14 inches, the pants were super huge, like insanely huge, and I could have fit my whole body in one leg. That's how funny it was. So learn from your mistake and take your measurement. Don't just think you're like 100 pounds. Like I was thinking like I was 500 pounds. Like, oh my God, I'm so fat. I'm not gonna be able to fit this. It's not gonna stretch. Oh my God. And then I have to take out all that stuff because I already put the pockets on and ignore the noise. I'm so sorry. I already had the pockets in when it was that big, so I have to cut out the pants and put back the pockets where they're supposed to go. And it was like a setback on my project, but I'm like, no, I'm gonna get this done. The best part, I think, for me, it was like the waistband. Once I put the waistband in, this felt so finished. This felt so perfect, and I was so excited. And I didn't have any problems when it came to that. I only have one problem other than making it super huge, and it's my hems. I am horrible at hems. If anybody knows how to make a hem, please just know. I know how to make it, but I'm pretty sure there's a tip that I'm missing because my hems are horrible. And I am really, really disgusted. I make my mom do my hems, and she's like, I'm gonna make your hems for you because this is really bad. But anyway, I was so excited my pants were done, and I was like, I don't care about the hems. Nobody's gonna see that. Yeah, they're pretty scary if you can see them up close. But nobody sees that at the end of the day, and I was just excited to put this on, and I left it like that, and I'm like, yes, this is awesome. And putting this, the little tie in the ankle, I just had to like do the math because I felt like it wouldn't wrap around because it was only coming out from the seam, like from the side seam, and wrap around the ankle. And I thought we needed to wrap the whole thing, but then how am I gonna hold it? But then I just went for it, put it on the side seam and try it on, and they still bunch up in the ankle. Anyway, so this is the set that I made with this fabric. It's like, I don't have no idea how you call this fabric, but it's pretty lightweight and it's pretty perfect for summer. The color is perfect for summer, and I just love how it looks. And you guys let me know what you think. I also did something else, and it's just a little crop top because I have some fabric, stretchy white fabric left, and I think white was the perfect color to go with this orange in case, because I'm thinking I love the pants and I love the top, but not all the time I want to wear them together. Maybe one day I feel like I just want to wear the pants, or I just want to wear the top. So why don't I just make a top for when the matchy thing is not really my thing? And I came up with this top, and I made it out of like whatever I follow was just a bra. I can show you how to make that. I've been doing like Instagram videos showing like quick tutorial. I think this will be perfect for that because this is so fast. It's insane. But anyways, this is like it's a very deep V-neck top, and I just love it. And the spaghetti strap is just like elastic I bought at the fabric store. And like I said, super quick, and it looks super good with the orange. And what I would do different with this is that I would make my back way bigger. This is very thin. Like, I don't know if you can, you see how thin it is compared to the top? I will make it thicker, maybe like 4 inches. This is probably like 2, like probably 4, make a very, like a bigger back section. But that's the only thing that I would do different on this top. I am so proud of this top because this is so easy, and I don't even know why wasn't I doing this before. Where was I? Like, seriously, just want to make so much clothes. Anyway, I do want to show you what was my inspiration. I have a inspiration wall that I'm also so proud of it. Like, cause I'm like, I'm so good. No, but I am proud of it, and I want to show you what I'm proud of it. So I want to show you my inspiration so you know what I'm talking about, and maybe you can have like this kind of setup for your inspiration. Maybe have something like that. Here's the wall what I was talking about, the inspiration wall, and here was my inspiration for the pants. Was this from like a self clothing website, and then this one right here. Those were the inspirations. So what I'm gonna do now is just take off those 2 inspiration, put more. So as I go and make whatever is on the wall, I take it off and put more, and I guess that's gonna keep me making stuff. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think about the wall. So let's just go back to the video, and this was the little side part, like I told you. So yeah, those are the pieces that I made the past weeks. I hope you like them, and I just want your feedback if you're new to this channel, and I've been doing all over the place stuff, and you don't know what I'm gonna do next. I'm probably sticking to the sewing stuff for a little bit. So if you like that, you can go ahead and subscribe. And if you haven't yet, it's free, so why not? Thank you so much for watching. I was just gonna say something else, but anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Really, follow me on my IG if you wanted to see more quick tutorial, but also let me know, please, in the comment, what do you think I should have done different, and what do you think I should make next? Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next video. Bye.